But tell you what, we are joined by our experts, Rajesh Palviya, who's the head technical and derivatives research at Axis Securities. And we're also joined by Ashi Anand, who's the founder and CEO of IME Capital, joining us. Hi, gentlemen. Welcome to ET Now. Right. I'll come to you first. Rajesh. To get your view on the technicals. Well, a good day for the markets today. We, managed to cross those levels of 22,500 on the Nifty. Going forward, we are getting closer and closer to the elections. Is the volatility likely to continue? What is being penciled in on the charts for the benchmark indices for next week?
Good afternoon. So it's a very smart recovery we have seen from recent low of 21,800, almost 600, 700 point recovery from the recent low. The way broader market has recovered from in last couple of trading session, that clearly shows that again confidence is coming back to the street, and the sectors where everybody is bullish for longer term perspective. The again buying interest. Has been witnessed throughout the week in the sector like railway, infra, capital goods, even real estate. All these stocks have shown very good traction in terms of buying. So looking at the broader market, and the market breadth has improved significantly. Nifty has shown a short covering action, and now we are comfortably holding about 22,400 mark. So looking at this data setup, we are confident that yes, this rally can extend further. Yes, there could be some volatility due to this polling which is happening, but we believe that the kind of confidence which is there in the street, we expect that this rally can extend to 22,550 to 22,700 in coming trading sessions. So I think one should remain on the long side of trade at this moment. Your stop loss should be placed at 22,350 for Nifty spot. Even on the Bank Nifty, now Bank Nifty managed to cross its major call concentration area of 48,000 and closed above that level. So I think this weekly close is very important for Bank Nifty also. Though there is a less participation from the PSU bank, but still some of the private banks are holding the ground and showing the good buying interest. So we believe that once Nifty spot crosses 22,500, and if Bank Nifty manages to cross above 48,200 mark, then there could be another round of short covering we can witness in Bank Nifty, and then rally can extend to 48,700 also for Bank Nifty, and then we can see some participation from the PSU bank also. So for Bank Nifty also, one can hold the long position. At this moment, we are placing our stop loss to hold position at around 47,800.
Okay, all right. But stop loss, you would continue to hold your longs. Ashi Anand also joins in. Ashi, welcome to the show. Good afternoon. We wanted to understand, up till now, we've seen that India was underperforming, rest of the world was outperforming. But now we've seen a decent set of gains on Nifty and the broader market both. But what lies ahead now? Going further, again, we have a fifth phase of voting on Monday. And can we say that the pre-election jitters have been put to rest, or are they put on to hold? What do you make of this?
So broadly, firstly, thanks a lot for having me on the show. In terms of pre-election jitters, I think over the next couple of weeks, you probably have optimism, pessimism coming in and out. And early in June, we actually know the result, and that will kind of drive market direction. But just, I think, if you're looking at India vis-a-vis global markets, while over the shorter term, and I think, again, driven by jitters around election, etc., there may have been a short period of underperformance. If you just go over the last 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3, 5, it is very consistently that India and kind of US tech, these are the only two parts of the world which actually have growth and you have momentum in the markets. This is something that we very clearly expect to continue kind of going forward. From a global context, you have issues in Europe, you have issues in China. Most other major economies are really kind of struggling. India really stands out very, very strongly in terms of our economic growth outlook. So the overall outperformance of India to global markets, we think, is a very clear trend. We believe that as we kind of go past elections, as consumer demand kind of comes back in, and as we move towards a phase where interest rates globally finally start to move back down, you could start to again see very strong FI flows coming back into India and really very positive from a longer term perspective.
All right, Rajesh and Ashi, thank you so much for joining us today on Your Trades. Thank you for your valuable inputs. But tell you what, viewers, it's time for us to slip into a short break. You don't go anywhere. We're coming up with lots more after the break.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.